Alright, y'all, we got another one. See what I'm doing today. Come check it out and join me on this feast right here. Yes. Look delicious, don't it? Yes, it do. Stand by. You're going to see the end results. Alright, y'all. Here go the end results. Bacon, cheeseburger, onions. Look at it. Look delicious, don't it? Oh, yeah. I know it do. I know it do. Yeah, check it out. Alright, y'all. Y'all see the end results. So you know what time it is. You know I gotta get ready to throw down. You know my motto. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like this video. Give me thumbs up on it. I appreciate it.